Hi, and welcome to another junior number video. Right, we're going to chat about improper fractions and how we change them to mixed numbers. Right, so an improper fraction is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. Here's an example. When I write 14 over 3, it's called an improper fraction. Now I know in some applications it doesn't make sense. I got 14 marks out of 3 in a test. That doesn't make sense. But in other applications, it's perfectly acceptable to have 14 over 3. Now we're going to learn how to change these into mixed numbers. And here's an example of a mixed number, 4 whole and 2 thirds. Now 14 thirds is the same as 4 whole and 2 thirds. Now we're going to show you how you change it. Right, to change an improper fraction into a mixed number, we need to do the following. We need to determine how many denominators, the bottom number, would fit inside the top number, the numerator, and what is the remainder left over. Okay, here's our one example for the video. We're going to change 14 over 3 into a mixed number. Right, we'll start off the denominator's thirds. We're dealing with thirds. So this is what we're going to do to start with. We're going to count up in threes, or do our 3 times tables, or the proper name is multiples of 3. So let's go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now I've gone a bit too far. I don't need to go over 14. I've gone too far. 15 is over 14, so let me just back up the bus and stop at 12. Right, now how many have we done? We've counted 4 times. There are 4 whole numbers, so 4 of them, 4 threes fit inside 14. So we're going to write down as 4 whole. Now each whole is 3. So 4 times 3 makes 12. So we've got up to 12, but how much extra do we have to get up to 14? So to get from 12 to 14, we've got to add 2 more, or another way you could do it is take 14 and subtract 12 to get 2. So with another 2 more, we would get to 14. So this 2 is called a remainder, the extra bit left over. We don't quite have enough. We don't have 3 to get to another whole. We've got a remainder of 2. So we're going to write it as a remainder of 2. And since we've been dealing with thirds in this problem, that becomes our denominator 3. So the mixed number becomes 4 whole and 2 thirds. So 2 remain out of 3. All right, so 14 thirds is the equivalent, the same as 4 whole and 2 thirds. So a diagram may just help finish explaining this thing. Here's a diagram, and when we represent counting in threes, we have 1 whole to get us to 3, we have 2 whole to get us to 6, we have 3 whole to get us to 9, we have 4 whole to get us to 12. We don't have another whole because that would get us to 15, but we do have 2 bits remaining out of the 3 whole. So 14 thirds is equivalent to 4 whole and 2 thirds. Awesome. Hey, thanks for watching.